Meet IoTAH, your no-hassle way to understand how your electric forklifts are really being used. From tracking runtime to helping you right-size your fleet, IoTAH gives you the data you need to make smarter, more cost-effective decisions without the guesswork. Let's walk through how to install it in just a few minutes. Inside the IoTAH kit, you'll find the IoTAH unit, pre-wired harness, and current sensor blue clamp. You'll also find an installation guide with step-by-step wiring references. Start by identifying a clean, flat surface on the truck side of the connector. This is where you'll mount the IoTAH device. Secure the IoTAH in place using either the adhesive backing or zip ties. Now connect the red positive cable and black negative cable to the forklift side of the main power cables, opposite of the battery connector. These pins should be securely connected to the truck side power feed. Next, attach the blue current sensor around the negative cable. Be sure the arrow on the sensor is pointing toward the truck, not the battery. Once all connections are secure, tidy up the cables using zip ties. This ensures the setup stays clean, safe, and reliable. The IoTAH powers on with the LED light blinking. Once everything's connected, scan the QR code on the IoTAH to set up your account in the Smart Telemetrics app. Just follow the quick steps. It should take a few minutes. You're all set. This setup applies to both IoTAH and IoTAH PS. With IoTAH PS, you'll also unlock power studies, a deeper look into runtime, charging cycles, and battery sizing to help you fine-tune your fleet's performance. From installation to insight, IoTAH and IoTAH PS makes motive power fleet visibility simple.